If you're looking for a stylish sofa that really instantly elevates your living room, this is the Hulala Home Chesterfield leather sofa. Sometimes it's tough shopping for the perfect couch because a lot of couches either look great or feel comfortable, but it's really hard to find one that does both. Some of my favorite features about this Hulala Home sofa is that it is genuine leather. It feels so nice when you sit on here, and it looks incredible. And it really gives any room just a classy look. Plus, it has this classic Chesterfield button tufting, which I really love. Really elevates the style in the room. It's also great because it can support up to 900 pounds. I really love that it's sturdy enough for everyday use, but still looks like the luxury piece that it is. So there's never any worry about how many people are sitting on it. It's very sturdy, very durable. It's really great for living rooms, offices, or even in the basement, placed right in front of that TV. Overall, I think this is a great option. I love this couch. It's super comfortable, very stylish. It's a great timeless sofa that's truly built to last. Highly recommend.